G'day guys, good afternoon. This is Sam here from Melbourne, Crusader Caravans, and today we are going to showcase to you our brand new fully composite Excalibur Nobleman caravan. Take a look. Okay, so we'll start at the very front of the Nobleman today. So we have our 50mm tow ball here. We have our 6-inch A-frame meeting our 6-inch chassis, giving you a 12-inch subframe. We have our jockey wheel by Alco, our Metador chain hook system with our beautiful chains that allow you to obviously pop them on as so. You need a 12-pin plug with a grey Anderson to power up this caravan. We have our trail-safe powered braking system to the caravan itself. And we have our 9-kilo gas bottles ×2. In this particular setup, we have our quick release system as well as our gas regulator protector and our switchover valve for our gas bottles. You also get a beautiful Excalibur shroud, which is a signature shroud and really there for some protection and some classy looks. With all of our Excalibur models, you actually do get a full toolbox with an extended A-frame that gives you both your 2 jerry can holders either side, together with your Weber barbecue slide, which is as simple as sliding that out. Weber legs go in, you lock that in, and we've got our quick release gas bayonet here as well for ease of use for the snags. We have a 900 wide tunnel boot all the way through. That is huge, as well as checker plate and a light that is standard up above here for at night time. We have a 600 high wrap all the way around the caravan here, together with a full 6-inch A-frame meeting a 6-inch chassis, giving you a 12-inch subframe, fully composite. You can see how tough and sturdy this is down below with all of your bracing as well. We have our drop-down legs ×4, again, quick release, nice and easy, and then lock that in as so. If we walk around this side of the caravan, we have our 17-foot awning with an awning center bracket support as well. We have our 2 external speakers, Bluetooth, together with our Bluetooth system inside. The Excalibur range offers you your 3 annex lights as standard. You can opt to switch them to switchable bug lights if you wish as well. We have our picnic table rated at about that 20-25 kilo mark. We also have our TV hutch standard, which gives you your TV bracket with a leveling gauge, your aerial 12-volt connection point, as well as a double power point. Continuing on with our 15-inch all-terrain wheels as a standard here in the Excalibur range. We also have a fantastic electric step as standard here, which pretty much is a simple usage with an up and down button just over here. We have a crim-safe door here by Kamek, which will take a bashing and a half, and it's as simple as locking the two as so with a tri-lock locking system. If we continue along the rear of the caravan, we have got a hot dip galvanized bumper, a full spare alloy with your obviously wheel holder. We have our Safety Dave reversing camera, which is obviously Bluetooth, infrared, voice, all of those fantastic features. Fantastic looking Nava lights here. These look amazing at night time, pretty much like your Audi lights, giving you that fantastic look at night time. If we walk around this side of the caravan, we'll start at the very back here. We have our Swift 28-litre hot water service, both gas and electric, and we never need to worry about changing any anodes here to stainless steel finish. We have our toilet cassette just in here by Dometic, with obviously an option as so. This does not come with an independent suspension. Nicely tucked away. Okay, we have an ensuite window as standard in this range as well, together with our quick fill system. So over here we have our mains. You can literally tap straight into your mains, select which tank you wish to fill, and rather than using your traditional tank fillers on the side of the caravan, we have our washout valve for our grey water tank, as well as our grey water outlet, together with all your overflows. An external shower, both hot and cold, is a standard also in the Excalibur range. We have our carbon monoxide vent just here, together with our fridge vent here, as well as a three-way fridge that allows your ventilation up top. So as the heat rises, straight out of the caravan rather than back into the caravan. Dometic double glazed windows throughout the caravan as standard here. And your traditional 2 tank fillers that I mentioned earlier. In this range, we do have that quick fill system that I just spoke about. The other side of the tunnel boot just over here. And again, you really do appreciate how big that tunnel boot is, as well as the protection of checker plate. You have your power inlet, whether you're at a caravan park or if you've got a generator, as well as a circuit breaker for your safety. And on this side of the toolbox, as I mentioned earlier, we have our generator slide, angle fridge slide, storage slide, use it as you wish, and obviously ease of access straight in to power up your caravan. Now, most of our Crusader buyers will opt for items like a Grip Sport bike rack or a standard bike rack on top of the actual toolbox. You can also opt for a fire or wood box for storage as well. Okay, front window is a fantastic actual feature in this caravan with your shade and cover as well. We've upped the ante on the aerial on this model, and we're doing that with most of our models because it's not a pricey upgrade and it gives you the best reception rather than the standard aerial itself. Okay guys, so that's the external done. Now let's check out the inside. Okay, so let's now check out the inside of our beautiful Excalibur Nobleman. We'll start at the very front of the caravan. So we have a queen caravan bed here, which is a 6'2" by 5 foot. We have our 2 pigeonholes and nooks, which have both a double power point and USB connections. Standard, your 2 Sirocco fans, which come standard, together with your reading lights, again with USB connections as standard. You get a beautiful front window with a shade in the Excalibur range. Multiple robes together with overhead storage. Now, we get heaps of feedback for the depth that we offer in our overhead cupboards. This is my arm touching the very back, as well as our robes and the depth of our robes. And this is my arm all the way to the back. I could literally almost put my whole body in there. So they are standard in the Excalibur range. Up top, we have our beautiful looking Finch hatch, and we have multiple Finch hatches. You've got your aerial winder up top here, a 32-inch TV as standard, and then I mentioned earlier that our windows are double glazed, and you've also got your full block out together with your midgie block out and multiple locking systems on the caravans, which we highlight to you during handover. Now, I'm going to open and lift this bed just so we can get a view of underneath the bed. So over here we've got our battery management system by BM Pro. We have our standard battery that you can upgrade if you wish to lithiums, multiple lithiums. You can also fit inverters, diesel heaters, gas heaters, and still giving you storage under this bed. I better pop that down so we can move around. Okay, so we'll start now with the lounge area first. We have our beautiful recliner seating here. I must admit, these are extremely comfortable, and for all of our Crusader buyers, this is the classy way of vanning and camping, I must admit. If we have a look, we have our trifold table that you can literally just fold across when it's time for dinner, as so. And when it's time to chill and watch some TV, you can just simply fold that back across. You have got LED strip lighting as a standard in the Excalibur range, together with mirrored decorative downlights. You do have a dimmable option for the LED strip lighting. This is your wireless sphere for your lighting and your module, your Bluetooth system as well as standard, both CD player and radio. All right, let's have a look at the kitchen. So we'll start very much here. We have our microwave down below, which is where most people like the microwave to be. We have a beautiful pot drawer. We have heaps of storage in this caravan. You've also got a 3-way mixer tap with filtered water, and your filter sits just in here, which is all standard in the Excalibur range. We have touch lighting. We have a touch range hood. We have a beautiful, fully recessed cooktop that allows you to utilize your full bench space. And we have also a wok burner option as well in this model. As you can see, you have 3 gas and 1 electric. This is the top of the range Swift appliance here, offering you a full grill and a fan forced oven as standard. And our drawers, I've just got to quickly highlight. Metal side drawer runners the way they should be, together with a full polycomp plastic. That'll last you a lifetime in turn. Okay, so we have our 220 litre fridge here by Dometic, which is a 3-way fridge, and we call that the smart fridge. We have our pull-out pantry here, which has a catcher to ensure that things aren't falling out of your pantry. It comes standard with the lips as well, and together with all of your drawers all the way through, giving you ample storage. You can never get enough storage when camping, and talking about storage, let's also call out another amazing feature offered by Crusader at the very entrance. You have literally an additional pantry at top here, together with even more storage down below for sauces, etc. Battery management screen. So our battery management screen in the Excalibur range is the standard Trek 3 screen, and that will give you all of your levels in terms of water, in terms of power coming in, out, etc., and Bluetooth compatible, and we take you through the details of that during handover. Okay, so let's now check out our luxurious and beautiful ensuite in the Excalibur range. So we have beautiful looking shaving cabinets as standard in this range. You also get your overhead storage and cupboard as standard. A touch light. We have additional storage down below. Heaps of drawers for all your goodies. Obviously tap and basin as standard. We have storage. You can never get enough storage. A full front load washing machine as standard. Now, I'm a fairly large fella, and you can see even myself, I've got ample room left and right to go to the toilet comfortably. Above me, I have an ensuite window as standard in this range. Up top, we have an extraction fan as standard with LED lighting, and you can obviously open the hatch and also the fan in or out. One of the largest entries you're going to get in a shower is in our Excalibur range, and I'm going to jump into this shower now. As you can see, we have ample room in this shower. I can freely, comfortably move left and right. We also do get another extraction fan up top here as standard. Thank you for watching our video on our beautiful Excalibur Nobleman. You can contact us at the number below, or you can simply contact or view us on Crusader Caravans, melbourne.com.au.
Like and subscribe for the next one. We'll catch you on the road. Thanks, guys.